This video is sponsored by Picture Hanging Solutions, and they sent us the most beautiful gallery rail system so that I can have a place to display my art without creating more holes in my wall that I just patched up. Thank you, Picture Hanging Solutions. I love it. Welcome to our old guest bedroom that has over the years become my office antique space, and I have taken over. We got rid of our guest bed earlier this year. We just do not have guests here enough to justify always having a guest bed where I use this every day for my business, and I need the space. So guest room gone. First I had to move everything away from this wall, and now it's just like heaps on the floor, literally. This wall is meant to be just beautiful antiques, lovely, where over here can be storage, and then over here will be work. It will be like a whole vibe in here. So everything has been cleared off of this wall, but this wall needs some major repairs. Okay, not major, just especially toward the end, knowing I was going to do this makeover, I kind of went ham with the holes in the wall, and I would put like, I'd hang my art for my live shows and stuff, and anytime there wasn't a hole in the right spot, I just would add one. So there's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 22, 23 holes in this wall. And like literally right here, there's 3 in a row. I needed them in the perfect spot for the gallery walls. So we've got some really good updates for this wall that will alleviate the whole situation. I need to spackle those today and prep it for wallpaper. I'm very excited. It is the next day. The spackle has set overnight, so it should be plenty good time. It's plenty of time. It's been long enough that the spackle has been sitting. So I am gonna go ahead and sand it down, and then I'm gonna wipe the wall down to prep it for the wallpaper. It's from Wall Blush. It's gonna be like a lime wash, so hopefully it looks good. Next step in my office makeover is the fireplace mantle. I'm hoping that it's not too big for this space. I don't think it is. I got really lucky finding this. It was on the side of the road, basically. It was in an abandoned house for a long time. Let's clean it up. Picked up some paint samples from the Benjamin Moore Historic Collection. I did not test them. I'm just going off of vibes. A new day, and Steve just built me this amazing box to go on the back side of the fireplace to make it look like the actual fireplace itself. So this is just the mantle, so this is like the insert, the actual fireplace. So it needs to be painted black. It will give it that depth that we'll want because it's not super deep. I have like fireplace accessories to use anyway, so we essentially just need it to not look like the wall behind it. I picked up just this like pre-mixed can of Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Premium Latex Paint in flat black. It definitely looks blue. Did I get blue? No, it says flat black. Tell me that's not blue. Trust the process? Okay. I also went and picked up a desk and a chair from Facebook Marketplace. So this room is ready to be finished. It's just a matter of this, organizing, cleaning, and then setting everything up. And I'm so excited. I've been dreaming about having an office, a functioning office, for so long. Finally, it's here. It's the first time I've ever worn this tank, and I got paint on it. Anyway, first coat's done on the box of the fireplace. Now I need to prep this room. It's a disaster, if you remember, and I need to organize it and clean it. So I got some things. I need to take everything out of the closet and figure out storage for it elsewhere. And then I got like some shelves we need to build to put in the closet so I can store excess inventory in there rather than just on the floor where it's been for the last however long I've been using this room. Not ideal, I'll tell you that. Oh, there's so much stuff. Are done and in the closet. Now I can start to organize, put things away, move things off the floor into the closet. There's no real like rhyme or reason other than what fits where. Okay, it is done. I mean, it's mostly done. There's a few little things that we want to do in here still, but for the most part, this room is finished and I am so happy to have it done, to have it clean, to have it organized, to have a desk space where I can actually sit and work and do things. I have been working from our bed or the couch forever. So honestly, I've never had a desk like this except for when I've had office jobs. So this is amazing and I cannot wait to actually edit this video. I'm gonna do it from here. I'm so excited. And to do my lives in here, it's going to look so good. And I have obviously a nice space where I can do YouTube videos and it's just such a game changer to have this office completed. Like I said, there's a few things we want to do. Maybe add some curtains that we actually already have, some lighting updates, and maybe some faux lights for the fireplace. And Steve is going to use the desk too when he works from home. So it's going to be really nice for both of us. So without further ado, let me show you the finished product. This room is very functional now and has multi-purpose spaces in it. So we have the live wall, and then we have the storage area on this wall. We have that beautiful antique bureau, and then we have like the closet IKEA shelf section, which is all inventory. And then we have Maple's section at the window. She's always loved this window. We used to have our guest bed here, and she would lay on the guest bed and just look out the window. It was her favorite. So when we, got rid of the bed, we adjusted things in the living room. We brought her little bench up here so that she still had a space to look out the window, lay and relax. And that way she can be near us when we're working in here, and we love it. And then we have the work section, which is obviously the desk and the chair and the printer and, those functional tech things. I have been planning this and working on this since like November, and it's just been hard finding things secondhand, making those big decisions, committing to it. So I definitely have an appreciation for YouTubers who pump out DIYs like crazy, because this was such a long process for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, because there's definitely more coming, more antique videos, flea markets, all of the things. And thank you again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and are enjoying your summer, and I will see you very soon.